Right, let's have a look at this soil to see where we're going to plant this crop. We had 10 mil yesterday. Have a quick dig down. Plenty of moisture in there. Might be a bit damp. You see it's gone dry on top because it's been really windy today. So let's see how we get on. It's got a program. Set what seed rope we want. We've got 96 kilograms, or just over 2 hectares. So we're going to set it at 40 because you're going to get overlap on small fidgy fields, aren't you? 25 kilometers an hour is my maximum speed, and currently I'm doing 0, so I don't think we're going to hit 25k with a combination drill, are we? So it's okay. I've just had to turn the alarms off because there's so little seed in the bottom. The alarm's going off all the time. It's really annoying. So I've just turned them off. Otherwise, they just keep going all the time. So. Right, just unfolding right here. Right, I'm just finishing this little bit of rolling this bit after putting this SFI pot in here. It's a bit awkward, that's why I can take that production. Got telegraph bowls and, no sorry, not telegraph bowls, electric bowls and everything is right. Yeah, just going to go this corner and then we're done. Right, job done.